5-Minute Keto specializes in low-cost, simple, spicy, and delicious recipes. Here is what you will need to make the dish.
This is how I roast my jalapeno peppers. I didn't de-seed them, not yet anyway. On medium heat. We're going to take this nice red, fresh hamburger and we're going to throw it in here. A little over 2 pounds. And now we're going to use the Adele's sausage. Throw that with the hamburger. Now we're going to put in a whole plate of onion, red pepper, and green pepper, and we're going to throw that in there.
Beware of prepackaged spices. They may contain carbs.
Okay guys, this is really important. I mean it.
Beware of prepackaged spices. They may contain carbs.
We take our chili powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. A couple tablespoons of the chili powder. A teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to put teaspoon of onion powder, some fresh garlic, a can of green chili, mild, whole can of Rotel, diced tomato and green chili, It's been cooking for 25 minutes and the onion is translucent. The peppers are soft. Turn it to low. Let it cook for another 15 minutes. Let the cover stay off of it so it gets concentrated and reduces the liquid. And if you like, you can pour a little grated Parmesan cheese on top. Give it a little snap. And if it's a Friday night, you can have one of these. A note about cauliflower. You can put chili over the cauliflower. And the cauliflower will absorb all that good flavor, just like rice. When you cook the cauliflower, make sure it's not overdone. It has a little bit of a crunch. Cats do not eat cauliflower.
Hey, kitty!